parents. Many of you ask us for a demo session. You're ready to pay for it, but you want to take one session to try what the child is doing, how he's going to sit during the session, or you're curious to know what we do during the session. And that is the reason you ask us for a demo. Now here there are some things that I want to tell you. Why a demo session is not going to be effective at all. The first thing is that when we take the consultation of your child, after that we understand his needs, his problems, and we develop a complete goal plan based on that, which is unique to your child, because your child is special, he's unique. So that takes us a lot of time. Whether we do it for 8 sessions or we do it for 1 session, our time investment remains the same. We have to chalk out exactly what activities we want to start with, what would work for the child, and usually we keep multiple activities because we don't yet know the interest of the child. Plus, the child has not formed a rapport with us. It takes time. You must have seen when you send your child to school, maybe the first day he cries, he doesn't want to stay in school, he doesn't settle down. So it doesn't mean that you stop sending the child to school. You will still continue to send him and make sure that you provide him the tools and the resources to help him to settle. Same goes for online therapy. Maybe the first day the child does not behave or sit or listen. So it is our responsibility as parents and as the therapist to help the child and to make sure that he forms a rapport with us so that we can take the therapy process forward. Secondly, like I said, that your entire goal plan and work program is customized. Now, sometimes we cannot directly start working on the problem. For instance, the child doesn't speak correctly. He misses words, or he substitutes word cat. He says cat instead of cat. Even for a problem like that, there are certain things we need to know in advance. Does the child have eye contact? What is the sitting behavior of the child? Attention span of the child? Is imitation present? Because imitation is one of the most important tools for a child to learn. So if these things are not there, then we would typically start a session to introduce these things. Make sure these behaviors develop first before we start working on the actual problem. Because working on the problem will not be effective if the child is not focusing. So that is our work, but we cannot show all those results in one day. So please don't go in for a demo session, because it is a complete waste of time and resources, your money and our time and our resources. Let's not do that. Let's trust each other, build a bond of trust, and take it from there. Welcome to KinderPass, and believe me, we will do our very best to ensure that your child thrives here. And we have 80 plus specialists and 10,000 plus hours of therapy which vouch for us. So have a little faith and go in for at least some minimal session to see some difference in the child. Give us a chance and we will live up to your expectations. Bye.